Parrot Jumping Sumo is a responsive bot that rolls around with incredible stability and agility. With the free app, Free Flight, you can control the drone yourself with any compatible iOS or Android smartphone or tablet. The Jumping Sumo has a wide range of capabilities. As the name suggests, it jumps. The drone's leaps can reach up to 80 centimeters in height and length. It comes with an auto balance feature that you can enable when you're dealing with uneven terrain. It can assume multiple wheel modes, contracted for better agility through narrow areas, and expanded for greater speed and stability. The Sumo has built-in animated turns as well as a nice graphical user interface to control the drone yourself. And with the proper storage device, it can also record live video from the drone itself. Of course, no device is perfect. The Jumping Sumo has its flaws. It dies extremely quickly. The battery only lasts about 20 minutes on average, and it takes a while to charge. And controlling the device is sometimes iffy. The movement is just a little erratic. The only method to move the device completely freely is by using your gyroscope, which can be sometimes difficult. Overall, however, the Jumping Sumo is an extremely fun toy to play with. Thanks for watching, guys.